Hey, Rupert.
Oh, hey, Ashley.
Hey, are you able to babysit my son tomorrow?
I'm not able to because I have plans.
Why not? Aren't you capable of watching a child?
I am capable, but I'm not able to tomorrow.
What? What's the difference between able and capable?
Robert teaches English.
The other day, one of my students asked me a great question. What is the difference between able and capable? These words are very similar, but I do find there are two main differences in the way that we use them. Capable tends to be used for hypothetical or future potential, while able tends to refer to something that is factual now, or that someone can physically do now. Secondly, capable tends to mean can do well, whereas able simply means can do. Let's start with the hypothetical ability of capable. If you are capable of something, it means you have the talent, the skill, or the mental capacity to do that thing.
I'm not able to because I have plans. I am busy tomorrow, Ashley, but I am capable of taking care of a child. So the next time you want me to babysit and I'm free, I can do it for you. Okay?
Okay, Rupert, you win this time. I'll call Bob. Love you, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye, Ashley.
Rupert is capable of babysitting. He has the skills and the mental capacity required to babysit. The problem is he is not able to babysit tomorrow because he is busy. He will not physically be there. We can look at the same babysitting scenario and switch capable and able.
Hello?
Hey, Bob. Are you able to babysit my son tomorrow?
Yeah, Ashley. I'm not doing anything tomorrow. I'm able to come over, but I'm not sure that I'm capable of watching a child.
Why not?
I never have before. I mean, what if I mess up? What do I say to him? What do I feed him? I just don't know if I'm capable, Ashley. I don't think I'm capable.
Okay, Bob. I guess I'll just stay home tomorrow. Bye.
In this case, Bob is able to babysit tomorrow. He has the time. He can go over there and do it. But he does not believe he is capable of taking care of a child. He does not think he has the skills or the talent or the mental capacity to babysit. So here's another example. I am able to eat this cat. I could cook it and I could eat it up. And I'm able to do that, but I'm not capable of eating this cat because I don't have the mental capacity to do that. I love this cat too much, and I couldn't bring myself to eat this cat. I don't think anybody could. You're too sweet, Minu. Thank you. Again, I have the physical abilities to eat my cat, but I'm not capable of doing that. It is also common to use capable to talk about future potential, while we use able to talk about things that already happened or that we can do already. For example, I am able to run 10 kilometers. This is something I can do. I can go out there right now and run 10 kilometers. I am able to do that. I am not able to run 50 kilometers right now. If I tried, I would fail. However, I think I am capable of running 50 kilometers. Given enough time and training, I believe I could do it. I believe I am capable. I have the mental capacity to train myself to that ability. Here's another example. I was able to reach 1,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. Do you believe that I am capable of reaching 1 million subscribers? Which reminds me, if this is helpful, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, and with your help, maybe I am capable of reaching 1 million subscribers. The second main way that we use capable versus able is to talk about someone who does something well. This person is capable. Or someone who can do something. They are able. So in this case, capable is a stronger word. If you wanted to hire someone for your business and their previous employer said,
He's an able worker.
this means he can do his job, but maybe he does not do it well. If the previous employer instead says,
Oh, she is a very capable worker.
the previous employer means that she can perform her job well. Think of it this way. Capable works well. Able works. So to summarize, we use capable to talk about hypothetical or future potential, and we use able to talk about things that can happen now or have happened already. We use capable to say someone does something well. We use able to say someone can do something. Keep in mind that these are my observations of how we tend to use these two words. These are not rules of how you must use these words. Language is always changing and evolving. That said, this should serve as a great guide in using these two words. Now, for practice, answer these two questions. First, what is something you are able to do that you are proud of? Second, what is something that you are not able to do yet, but you believe you are capable of doing? Answer those questions in the comments below, along with any other questions you have for me. As always, thank you for learning with me. I hope you know you're doing a great job, and I hope you know I believe in you. I'll see you soon.